press the printer button or the copier?
Oh.
Oh, I like how you both pointed
Print.
to printer. Now we've already done it, but who found my name on this list of names? It's not there right now, but who found it?
I did.
Good job, and Robert helped.
Yeah.
That's great work. Now we're gonna copy this sheet of paper.
Okay.
So let's put it on. Do you know how to put it on the?
I would.
You can do it.
I
All
would.
right.
As
And
a
after that,
boy.
we're gonna let Roland help out too.
He would. Right here.
So we want to put it. Now, if it doesn't go up, that means we haven't put it in correctly.
Okay.
So we want to slide it over.
Okay.
And then the copier will recognize this direction. Copier will recognize that we
Yeah.
put something in. Maybe a little bit more. All right. Oh, it wants to move. There it goes. Good job. See, it
Yeah,
reacted.
yeah.
Now what we're going to do is go to copy.
Copy.
Good job. And we want 20 of these. So we have to put on how many? Do you remember how to put the...
Yeah.
Oh, look at... Go for it, Robert. Yep, that's exactly right. Thank you for
Go, Robert, bro.
showing it. And who... Let's let Roland hit start.
Ooh, let's start.
There you go.